Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll just show you some of the commonly used data types in Java. Okay, so I'll start off with int. So I'll declare a variable int over here and I'll assign it some value. Now this int data type can hold any integer value. Okay, so it can be a positive value, it can be a negative value, but it has to be an integer, right? So I can even add or assign negative values to it, but it has to be an integer. Now again, there is some range for it, but right now we are not concerned about it. Okay, so just remember that int data type is used for storing integer values. Then we have something called as double. Okay, so double stores decimal type values. For example, I can store something like 25.7. So any decimal type values, if we want to store, we can use the double data type, right? Now, next is the char. So this char data type is used to store single characters. Okay, so I can store any character which I want. Let's say C or even star, anything. It is also a character. So I can store any character value into it, right? Now then I have something called as Boolean. Now this Boolean data type, it can store only two values. Okay, so it has only two values, that is either true or false. So for now I'm assigning it a true value. Okay, so these are the commonly used primitive types in Java. Now I'll just declare one more type, and which is a reference type. And again, this string is very commonly used data type in Java, and that is the reason why I have used it. So string data type is used for declaring any string type of data. Okay, so it can take multiple characters at a time, right? So this is the string data type. So this string is reference type. Okay, just remember that these all are primitive types and this is a reference type. Okay, so guys, these are the commonly used data types in Java. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial.